Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another one video. So in this video I'll showing the CodeBlocks project. So how can you check CodeBlocks is properly run or not? So if you like do any project, so you need to first check the CodeBlocks software. The CodeBlocks is properly work or not. So I can use here C or C++, any one language to check the project run. So CodeBlocks is a very commonly IDEs developing as C and C++ language system. So I can use now. So is this the CodeBlocks main interface? So I need to make a new project and run. So that's why I need to do the go to the file is here. So file, I need to click the file and create a new another one. The project is here. So I need to make a new project. This one is here. So here you just look like here lots of the project. So I just use the console applications project is here. So select the console project applications, yeah, and need to go. Now at this moment you just look, the console project is here, so it's ready to do the next step. So now I need to click the next button, then here need to select the language. It's a very important part of this project. So which language you can use is here. So if you like use the C, so you can select the C language, and if you like the C++, so you can select C++ language here. So I can use this project with C++ language, so that's why I just select is here C++, then need to click next, yeah. And here you need to write down here the project name. It's basically the project title, the project name. So I just need to check the project is a small project, so that's why I just write down here check project, check CodeBlocks. Yeah, so I'll write down here checks CodeBlocks, and the next one is folder to create project in. That's mean where you want to save your project. Write down here and select the project path, and to keep my project is in my document file, so that's why I just select the documents and need to select the folder, yeah, and then need to do the next to continue the project, yeah. And here is the important part of this project as well, the compiler setting. So which compiler, you have lots of the compiler is here. So which compiler you want to continue with your project? So I want to continue with my project is the first one is GNU GCC compiler. It's a very common and very easy compiler, because you know the it's automatically compile, so that's why it's very easy for us. So I need to do the GNU GCC compiler, yeah. So I just select it here and then need to finish this process, yeah. Now is this the main interface of this project? So here is you just look like here, check CodeBlocks. So I'll just click down here, double click, yeah. So double click here, and here is the source file is here. So I'll just double click on source file as well, and is this the main CPP file? So when I'll just double click here is the main CPP file. Here is showing my coding section, yeah. So when I'll just click down here, the main interface, main CPP file. So here is, you just look like here is the main coding file. So is this the file, is it working or not? So that's why I need to run this code. So before I run this code, I need to compile this code. This code is okay, this code is everything is okay or not. So that's why I need to compile this code. So I just click the build button here. They are checking, it's checking, yeah. And it just look like here you have no error and no warning as well. So is this, the code is perfectly okay. So now it's ready to run. So now I'm just running this code. So that's why I need to go, the run button is here, and click the run button, and it's perfectly work. And it's showing, is this the project, it's perfectly running and you have no error or anything. So it's good, it's okay. So if you can make a big project using the CodeBlocks languages like the C++, using the CodeBlocks software, so obviously you need to test first your CodeBlocks is running perfectly run or not. So guys, this video is finished now. Thank you so much for watching my videos.